Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. This is the last episode of our T100 tutorial series, and in today's video we will discuss about endorsement, promoting and certifying Power BI content. So guys, this is the agenda for today's video and I'm gonna go through each and every point in this video and you will get to know what is it, why do we need it and how to use it. So let's start it. Organizations often have large amount of Power BI content available for sharing and reuse by their Power BI users, and identifying trustworthy, authoritative content can be difficult. Endorsement is a way to make it easier for users to find the high quality content they need. Endorsed content is clearly labeled both in Power BI and in other places where users look for Power BI content, such as Excel file. Basically, there are two kinds of endorsement, that is promotion and second one is certification. Promotion enables users to highlight content that they think is valuable, worthwhile, and ready for others to use. It encourages the collaborative spread of content within the organization. If we talk about the certification, certifications means that the content meets the organization's quality standard and can be regarded as reliable, authoritative content that is ready for use across the organization. So certified content is going to be available only after doing certain validation checks or quality assurance tasks on that particular data set or particular content in Power BI. Over here, there is a thing that you should always remember. Only a select group of reviewers defined by the Power BI administrator in your organization is authorized to certify content. Not everyone has this right to certify the content. However, everyone can promote their content to make it certified. So whenever you would log in into your Power BI service and you will see your dataset or the contents into your workspaces, you will see similar to this one. And under the endorsement, you will find whether it's being promoted or it's been certified. In the next slide, I'll explain you what are the different contents in Power BI that we can make them certified or promoted. But before going there, you should always remember that certification is available only if a Power BI administrator has enabled and configured it for your organization. Otherwise, it won't be available over there. So if you want to promote your content or you want to make it certified, please contact with your Power BI administrator. Now let's talk about the different types of content that can be endorsed. So in Power BI, we can endorse datasets. This was the very first content that was available in Power BI to promote or to certify. Nowadays, we also have the data flows, reports and apps that we can certify them. But you should remember that data flows, reports and apps are in preview. They are not generally available as of now. Identifying endorsed content. So how would you identify whether your content has been endorsed or not? So for that we have separate icons. On the very first step you will see it would be labeled with the badges and icon, and you can see clearly the icons over here for the certification as well as for the promotion. And the second one would be on the header bar as well. You will find whether that particular report has been certified or not. You will see an icon on the top of that. So I hope on this screen it's clearly available, but I can also show you in my Power BI services after some time. Now question comes deciding whether to endorse an app or a report. We should do it or we shouldn't do it. Endorsement is meant to be used for the content items such as apps, reports, dataset and data flows you want people to find, use and possibly reshare. When you are sharing data with a broad audience, a Power BI best practice is to share that data via an app. If you are following the best practices, you want people to be able to find that app easily. In such cases, you should endorse the app. If you still find it useful to share reports directly, then in that case you can endorse the reports as well. However, whether you are sharing a report or an app, if the underlying dataset are clean and ready to be reshared, it is a good idea to endorse the dataset as well. And the same applies for data flows. Now question comes how to enable content certification. So basically there are the 4 steps. First of all, you have to go to your admin portal, and under that admin portal you have to go to the tenant settings. In the tenant settings you will find certification, and where you have to toggle this and then just apply. So that's how you can enable content certification. Let me show you how to do that. Over here I am on my Power BI service homepage, but mainly we have to go to the Power BI admin settings. So click on this gearing icon over here and go to the admin portal. On admin portal you will find the tenant settings. Click over here under admin portal pane, and you have to now locate the certification. So for that we have to go down. Let's go down, and here you will find certification. Right now you can see that it's disabled, but we have to enable it. So for that we can just click on this. Now it's enabled and we can apply. So there are specific URL for the documentation page as well. So suppose you want to identify something like which content to endorse or which you shouldn't, or if you have any best practices document as well for your organization, you can provide over here the link. That would be SharePoint link, OneDrive, or the one you think is the place where you have put that document. Then you can apply to the entire organization or to the specific group as well. And if you want to apply for accept specific security groups, that you can also click and you can mention the group name also over here. So right now I'm going to apply for the entire organization and I'm going to click apply. Now you will get this message over here applying changes, and that can take up to 15 minutes. Now let's get back. Now we are going to see how to endorse your content. What are the different ways that you can endorse your content in Power BI? Well, there are mainly 3 ways. First, you have to promote your content. Second, you have to certify your content. And third, you have to request content certification if you don't have authoritative permissions over there to certify any content. Now question comes, how to get content settings? Well, this is quite important. You should know from where you can access those content settings. Basically, we have 4 contents, that is dataset, data flows, reports, and apps. Now, you can see clearly on my screen how to actually access those content settings, and that I'm gonna show you in my Power BI service. So let's head over to the Power BI service account. Over here, again, I'm on my home page. I can go to my workspace, let's say to the demo workspace. And here I have my contents, that is over here you can see I have my reports, then I have my data sets, and even I can create an app as well. So I'll just create this app and I'll make that certified too later. This is a very important part and you should pay attention over here. The very first is you have to identify which dataset you want to make it certify or which you want to promote. So I'm over here and I'm gonna say, okay, I want to make this RLS versus OLS as my promoted dataset. So I want to endorse my RLS versus OLS dataset. So for that, I have to come to this setting option over here. And under the setting option, you will find endorsement. Right now, you can see there are 3 options: none, promoted, and certified. So let's click on this. Now you can mention anything over here, the message you want to mention for the admin, that you have promoted this data set and now you want to go further with this. Then click apply. Once you will click apply, you can go back again over here and you will come, and then please look at this under endorsement section. It's being promoted. You have promoted your data set. The second step comes to make it certified. So what we can do, we will come over here again, go to settings, endorsement, and now we have to make it certified. But look at over here, it's still saying that certified is not available. Certify your dataset to show coworkers that it's been reviewed and meets your organization's certification criteria. And there is a link. So you can click on this link. Now it's I'm gonna show you the same steps you can promote, and you can see how to make it certified. Now you can see I'm again on my home page where we promoted a data set, that is RLS versus OLS. So I'm gonna go back again into that one and I'm gonna make it certified. So I'm here in my demo workspace and the last data set is my RLS versus OLS. Click on these three dots and then go to the settings, and again you have to expand this endorsement tab over here. Lastly, we promoted our data set and now we can make it certified because I already authorized myself in the admin settings that I can certify this data set. Click on this one and click apply. And if you want to describe it, you can also describe your message over here. Plus, you will get this information over here that's certified by connectedpiconsultingpro.com on this date. Now we can go back to the demo workspace. Here you will see it's been certified. Let me promote another dataset so that you can see both certified and promoted icons. And here you can see gateway testing dataset has been promoted while RLS versus OLS is a my certified dataset. So this was a thing with the data sets, but what if we want to do it for the reports as well? So come to the content part. Here you can see RLS versus OLS. Now you have to again click on these three dots, then go to the settings. Under the settings, you will see we have none, promoted or certified. So I can directly make it certified. So let's click on save. And now let me open this report. As soon as I will open this report, on the header you will see over here next to the name of the report, it's certified. And once you will click over here, you will see over here the endorsement certified by BI Consulting Pro. So this is how you can identify whether your report or dataset has been certified or not. Now, what if you want to certify the app as well? So for that, what you can do? For that, what I'm gonna do, I'll come into my workspace where I have created that app. Then I'll go to the settings, and here under the settings, I can see my app over here. And this app right now, you can see the settings endorsement preview. And here I neither promoted it or no certified it. So I'm not going to promote it here again. I can directly make it certified. But if some other user is there who doesn't have that right to make it certified directly, they can promote and then they can request for the certification. Click on this, it's success. And now I'll go again on this app. This is my demo app. And here you can see this app has been certified. So these are the different ways that you can make your Power BI content. Either you can promote them or you can make them certified. I didn't show you the data flows, but data flows is the same like the data set, so you can go with that too. If you would like to connect with us, please do it. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And if you have any queries or concern, please directly reach out to our website, that is www.biconsultingpro.com. There you can post your queries under Ask Me Anything page. And if you would like to read any vlog or blogs, so you can also do over there. Thank you so much guys for connecting with us, and please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.